Hi, hello. I've got some exciting news. The training that we've been providing has been similar for a long time. We used to do or still do, the kind of immersion sort of experience where for 4 or 5 days, you really get stuck into the theory, into the practice of everything, and immerse yourself into the knowledge and take on board as much as you can. A number of years ago, I started training also online, doing online meetings, basically 4 meetings with about 5-6 hours in duration to go and cover the exact same content. Now, this online process has changed. A new style, which I'm really excited about, which involves an online knowledge center where you can go and you can listen to me teaching this knowledge. And you can watch these videos and you can pause and you can rewind and you can replay as often as you like without having to worry about other students that maybe they're grasping what you need a little bit of repetition with. Even further, so you can, after the course is finished, the online course, you can go back to this content and you can watch it again and learn from it and absorb even more. So that's great. So this got me thinking, what would happen if instead of doing the 4 or 5 day courses and we spend half our time battling our way through the theory, what if we did that at a much more relaxed pace using the online system? And when I say online, it's not just you learning. There's also weekly meetings to summarize and review the knowledge that you've learned that week. But what would happen if we did it that way, got all that stuff out of the way first? I mean, I say out of the way, but it's fascinating stuff, but it does take a bit of time to absorb. What if we got that out of the way first, and then you came and did a live in-person workshop, and we didn't really have to cover an awful lot of this theory anymore? We could concentrate on the practical side of things. What if we could invest or spend more time on the practical side of things? Because that's often what people, ask. Like, oh, goodness, practical stuff is great. Wish we had more time for it. So anyway, that's what we set out to create. So that's now available. Don't really have a great name for it yet, so I'm just going to call it the Radiation Assessment Business Startup course. And the reason for the business startup in the title is that the other thing that I get asked a lot is business related questions, because most people that come and do the training have the vision that they'll be able to help their community with assessments and help people in their homes making their homes better. And everybody, after getting some experience and practice after having done the training, I'm sure anybody could do that, but you kind of have to reinvent the wheel to some extent. So what if we formally did a little bit more business focused training in the course? Of course, I can't guarantee anybody would be successful in business. You're a big part in this as well. But we've got a lot of experience. So what if we had a bit of a structured way of going over this sort of knowledge that is, in terms of starting a business, equally as important. You've got to know your stuff in terms of radiation, but you also got to know how to actually get started, get going, and get some momentum happening. So that's what this new course also includes, and we also focus on. So there's extra time spent online even after the live workshop component, where we go into the business side of things and do a little bit of hand holding with you to get things going. To take it a step further, we're going to be we have a template website that will be updating to reflect you, and then we can basically provide you a website that you can use instantly. You just organize hosting and a domain name somewhere, and we'll get that uploaded to that location. So your website's done. We'll make a promo video for your business. It'll be mostly standard, but it'll be tailored to show you. And so that can be used as an advertising effort. We'll actually invest some money to actually run a campaign for you in your local area to help you get started off. And in addition to that, we can also give you a 1-year business listing or full-featured listing on a home health directory. So anyway, I think this program is kind of become something totally awesome. So the program therefore gets much longer. So instead of waiting for a live workshop in 1 or 2 months time and kind of twiddling your thumbs until you get there, you'll be able to start much sooner, start absorbing that knowledge at your own pace to some extent. We review each week as you go through the knowledge. There'll be assignments for you to do, and then as we approach the live workshop, we'll focus on the practical components. Then when you leave, you'll be hopefully all excited, you'll be practicing, and then a few weeks after that we'll go into a little bit more of the business support and kind of keep you going forward in the direction that you want to go to, if that's something that's of your interest. So anyway, I'm really excited about the program. I hope you are too. It's a bit more costly course. That online knowledge center represents an enormous investment, so that's rather costly. We're still going to do a reasonable of time in the live workshop, doing a little bit more time on the practical side of things, and then of course the added bonuses to get you going with your business. So I hope you'll be joining me soon, and I can't wait to get you in there, and let's get you ready for helping other people. That'd be great. All right, thanks.